Imagine planning your weekend with Dutch friends. You want to talk about your plans. You need to express the future tense. In English, you say, I am going to. In Dutch, we use the verb gaan. Laten we beginnen. Let us begin. The rule is very simple and logical. Combine conjugated gaan with an infinitive verb. Put the infinitive at the end. Let's see our first example sentence. Ik ga morgen werken. I am going to work tomorrow. Notice that ga comes second here. Werken goes to the very end. Wij gaan samen eten. We are going to eat together. It works just like English going to.
Let me show you more simple examples. Hij gaat een boek lezen. He is going to read a book. Look at the position of lezen. It sits right at the end. Now, let me ask you a question. How would you say, I am going? Ik ga slapen. I am going to sleep. Great job. Let's build longer sentences. Zij gaat koffie drinken. She is going to drink coffee. Wij gaan naar school fietsen. We are going to cycle to school. Can you guess the next sentence? How do you say they are going?
Zij gaan muziek luisteren. They are going to listen to music. Let's practice the pattern together now. Conjugate gaan, then add the infinitive. Ik ga vandaag koken. I am going to cook today. Jij gaat straks bellen. You are going to call later. Hij gaat geld sparen. He is going to save money. We gaan een film kijken. We are going to watch a movie. Jullie gaan veel leren. You all are going to learn much.
Excellent! You are mastering the pattern. Now try this one yourself first. How do you say, I will stay? Think for a brief moment now. Here is the correct Dutch sentence. Ik ga thuis blijven. I am going to stay home. Now, time for our error clinic. Let me highlight 2 common beginner mistakes. First mistake, putting verbs together early. Listen to this incorrect Dutch sentence. Ik ga werken morgen. That sentence is incorrect in Dutch. Why is that sentence wrong? Werken must go to the end. Here is the correct sentence again. Ik ga morgen werken. I am going to work tomorrow. Second mistake, forgetting the full infinitive.
Listen to another incorrect sentence. Wij gaan eten kook. That is wrong because kook is conjugated. You must always use the infinitive, koken. Let's fix that sentence now. Wij gaan eten koken. We are going to cook food. Here is your handy memory anchor tip. Gaan is second, action verb is last. Keep the infinitive at the very end. Let's do a fast final review. Vandaag leerden we de toekomst. Today we learned the future tense. Use conjugated gaan plus full infinitive. Tot de volgende keer.